Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a what failed a network WTW04.sys blue screen error on Windows 11 as well Windows 10. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all in the search box type right click on start menu and go to your device manager. After opening the device manager, go to your network adapter and select the internet ethernet driver. Right click and go to your properties. After go to your properties, click on a driver and click on a rollback driver if is unavailable. Close it. After doing this set, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that go to your device manager, select a network adapters, right click and click on update driver. Click on search for automatic driver. Click on search for driver on Windows updates. So update your check your Windows and download and install in your PC. The third method is that in the search box type a CMD and open a command prompt, right click run as administrator. After opening the command, first of all type a command is sfc space /scan now and press enter. It's required of a few minutes to complete this process. After completing the command, type a command as dism space /online space slash cleanup dash image space /restore health and press enter. It's required for a few seconds or a minute to complete this process. After completing that, type a exit and exit the command prompt. And after that, restart your computer. And I'm sure that after doing this set, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.